the public library is one of my absolutely favorite places to go.
Yes. And I must take my book there so the children can borrow it. I hope Clarence comes back soon.
Maybe he flew to the library to get some books.
Oh, I don't think so, dear, because Clarence is a goose. And a goose doesn't have a library card. And you must have a library card to borrow books from the library.
I don't have one either. Neither do I.
What? No library cards? Well, we must do something about that right now.
Oh, look at that.
Pick a card, any card. Now all you have to do is write your names on the cards.
There's some markers you can use. Here's some for you, Julie. Sean. I know how to write my name. S H A W. N.
Oh, that was a tight fit.
My name was almost too big for the card. And what if your name really was too big to fit?
Oh, you mean a big name like Ichabod Q. Funny Fellow?
Even bigger.
You mean a bigger one like Cindy, Mindy, Windy, McGillicuddy?
Even bigger. I mean the biggest name of all. I know which name you're thinking of.